Do you want to grow on social media, but it just doesn't seem like you can make the time? Have you tried to be consistent, but when you do, you spend countless hours on the computer with little to no progress? This is your lucky day. Come along and let's talk about how to make some extra money on social media. And believe me, it's much easier than you might think. Forget about the daily routine of uploading videos because we're about to share a cool trick that could help you earn lots of money every month. The best part? You'll only need an hour to create content for the whole month. So here's the deal. First, you need some video ideas. No worries, we got your back. Just ask our buddy ChatGPT for 31 video ideas that match your social media style. Whether it's top 10 tips for making money online or any other topic you like, ChatGPT will help you out. Once you've got your creative ideas, it's time to make your videos. We'll use a user-friendly tool called InVideo for this. After you sign up or log in, you'll see your dashboard. Click on AI text to video, then select portrait. There are plenty of templates to choose from. Just hover your mouse over them to preview or click to see more. When you find one you like, click Use Template. Now here's the magic part. Click on Ask AI to write your script. You don't have to come up with the script yourself. You've already got it from ChatGPT. Copy your first video idea from there, paste it into the box, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your script is ready. Review it, make sure it makes sense, and that you like it. Then, at the bottom, click Auto Suggest Images and Videos, and be sure to select iStock and Premium. This way, you're giving the AI access to a massive library of over 8 million clips. Click Write Scenes, and now, all you need to do is wait for AI to create your video. Once InVideo finishes generating your video, which takes only about 30 seconds, you'll see the storyboard. This shows your script broken down into different parts. You can even edit it if you want, but most of it will be stock material. Head over to the Editor section, and there you can see all your clips and the length of your video. At this point, you can go through the clips and change any that don't quite fit. For example, let's say you want to change something in a video. Well, you can do that by using free videos or pictures. There's this video library with over 8 million clips. You can pick from places like Pixels, Pixabay, and even fancier ones like Shutterstock and iStock. So, if I'm searching for something related to nature, I just type in mountain. Look at all these different videos it shows. You can check them out one by one and find one you like. When you find one, just click on it and drag it onto the video. It'll ask if you want to add it or replace the old one. Click Replace, and boom, it's done. You do this for all the images you want to change. Sometimes it does a great job, and you won't need to change everything, just some. If you are loving the content of this video, just like I enjoyed making it, give this video a thumbs up. If you like what we are doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We upload new money-making videos at least 4 times a week, so if you don't want to miss out, hit the notification bell so you can be the first to jump in and seize the opportunity to change your life. Your support means so much to us, and it keeps us motivated to keep making these types of videos for you. Now let's add some music. If you don't like the music that came with the video, start from the beginning. Go to the music section, and there are tons of sounds to choose from. You can pick based on the mood or style you want. For example, if you want something exciting, click on Exciting and listen to the sounds. When you find one you like, press play, and it's added. Remove the old music by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. Remember, don't make the music too loud. Adjust the volume by clicking on the music and changing the volume setting. Then, click on a part of your video and press play to hear how it sounds. Easy, right? Now, once you've put your video clips and sound together, let's add a voiceover. Here's how to do it. To make your video sound awesome, follow these straightforward steps. Start at the beginning of your video and find the voiceover option. Click on it and choose Automated Text-to-Speech. A small box will pop up with 3 choices. Pick the voice you like, whether it sounds like a boy or a girl. You can also select a different language and voice if you wish. Click play to hear each voice and decide which one you prefer. Once you've made your choice, simply click Generate Voiceover, which only takes a moment. Here's a handy tip. Tick the box at the bottom right that says Add automated voiceover for all scenes to save time. This will generate voiceovers for your entire video, so you don't have to do it one by one. Click Add, and you'll see that it has created voiceovers for your whole video at the bottom. Your video is now complete and perfectly synchronized. Now let's export your video. First, locate the export option. Second, make sure to select 1080p. Third, give a gentle click to export. A little box will pop up and your video will start getting all set. Just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you can move it into your computer. To do that, find the file in your projects, which will take you to this page. Look out for these 3 icons and click the middle one that says Download. Now here's the thing. To export your videos, you need the paid plan. The free version only lets you create videos, not export them. You can check InVideo's pricing. It's about $30 per month for the business plan. Once you've covered that and created all your videos, download them all. Then, schedule them to be uploaded every day on your favorite platform, whether it's Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Spend some time now scheduling them, and your content will automatically go up, bringing you traffic and money without much effort. When it comes to social media, there are many ways to make money. I'll focus on the 4 most popular methods I personally tried. The first way is affiliate marketing. This means you recommend other people's stuff, products, services, ebooks, courses, using a special link. When someone you recommend buys something through your link, you get a commission, a part of that sale. Commissions can be as low as 2% or as high as 100%. Affiliate marketing is great because you don't have to create the products yourself. All you're doing is taking someone else's stuff and sending people to buy it so you can make some cash. Another way to make money from your webpage is by selling digital products. There are lots of digital things you can make: ebooks, graphic designs, creative images, and digital presentations. You don't need real things for these, just computer stuff, and you can send it to your audience online. The cool thing is, it doesn't cost you anything to make these digital things. You only spend time on it, or you can pay someone to help you if you want. But when you sell them, all the money is yours. The third way is selling print-on-demand products like socks, journals, yoga mats, hoodies, and phone cases. You can find these things on websites that make them when someone buys them. I really like using Printify now. It's a service where you can make and sell things, but you don't need to buy them in advance or keep them in your house. Here's how it works. You make a design, and then you put that design on something you want to sell, like a hoodie. When someone buys that hoodie from you, Printify takes care of making it, packing it, and sending it to the buyer. The money they use to do this comes from what the buyer paid, and whatever is left over is your profit. So you don't have to physically handle the items or buy them up front. The fourth and final way is getting paid to talk about other people's products on your social media or give their page a shout out. Sometimes a company or a person will ask you to do this, and they'll pay you for it. It happens more than you think. Make sure you know how much you want to charge for this before it happens. When you start, your prices might be low because your page is small, but as it grows, you can charge more. This can make you a lot of money too. So making money online is pretty simple, and AI has made it even easier. Give it a shot. If you want to learn more ways to make money online, check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our exciting videos. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye!